Hello folks, it's Jason Klinkenbeard. We're in Plains, Montana at the Rabine Ford dealership, and we got this car that's on consignment here. Rivers West Auction and Equipment. It's a 1935 Ford panel van, delivery van. It's all been restored. I'll say a early 90s restoration and modification. I'm going to walk around and show you about this car. It's powered by a 1970 Mustang Mach 1 351 Cleveland, 4-bolt main. It's got the larger heads, the 4V heads, 350 horsepower. Showed you a video of that, real clean done in there. This car was built right when it was put together. They didn't leave any stone unturned. It's got 1970 FMX Ford Auto 5-speed. Oops, hang on. Transmission. Sorry about that. There we go. 3-speed transmission out of Mustang. 1970 8-inch Ford rear end out of Mustang. A Heidts front cross member with 1978 Mustang parts, 5-bolt Ford pattern. 1977 Lincoln Dura Spark 2 Ford distributor electronic. This is a runner. It's a go down the highway rig. It's got 29,000 miles on it since the restoration. It's got a power brake unit out of a 76 Ford 3/4 ton truck. Steering column is out of a 1982 Camaro. It's all tilt. Show you that. The power windows are 1964 Cadillac. This rig, it's got disc brakes obviously up front, power windows both front and rear. It's all fully upholstered with the padded pleated upholstery. It's all carpeted. This rig was put together to enjoy, as well as win a car show or two, which it's done that a few times. Because it went down the road, there's a few little rock chips in the paint, nothing major, just nothing you wouldn't touch up. There's the painted rims. It's in great shape. I'll jump in the interior here real quick, show you that. But yeah, you can see, you know, a few rock chips on the fenders and whatnot. But no expense was spared when this car was put together. This was a retirement pleasure car, and there's your tilt steering wheel, automatic. There's a little bit of a tear in the seat right there. Upholstery's in great shape. Power windows here, power windows up top. I've driven this car, maybe put 50 or 100 miles on it. It runs great, it handles great. The logos here are actually vinyl with some paint highlighting, but the paint's all on the vinyl, so it'd be easy to change that out to whatever logo you wanted to put on there. So there you go, folks, sitting in western Montana.